Alright, welcome back. Previous time we left off at the yeah, we finished our library. We finished our extension, I mean. And now we're going to actually just push it to the git. Yeah. So git add everything. Oh. Git commits minus m. And then we write edit extensions for double fillet bond. A terrible, no, whatever. Who cares? Git push minus u origin master. Great, we're getting everything pushed up. Good. So, what we gotta do next is actually write the podspec file. So the podspec file is actually a file that specifies how your podspec, yeah, exactly this. It's going to specify the information to your master pod repository on where it can find its information. Yeah, let's do that first. We can do that actually by podspec create, and we give it a name called my extensions. Alright. So you obviously see this little thing right here. Let's just open it for now. So the podspec file has actually a template in the beginning that it gives you. The first time when you actually make this file, you should actually definitely read it because it's useful information, but because I made it many times already, I got a little bit of a example. Yeah, no, a template. So let's just copy this and put it here. Alright, so give it a beautiful name. This name must correspond with the file name. Version. I'm going back to the version later. The version is actually really important. Summary. My cool extensions. My description. My cool extensions that I can reuse in different projects. And then we give it a homepage. So the homepage must be the URL. Not must be, but you know, what would you give otherwise? You will do the MIT license. That's another thing. So the MIT license, you can get it everywhere. It's just, you know, the standard MIT license that goes with everything. So you can just put it here. Yes. It will give an error if you actually don't specify it, or it gives a warning, not really an error. Yeah. Platform. You know, the author, it must be you with the email. Blah blah blah. The source. So this is important. You might want to do HTTPS because your group is within here, but because of firewall issues, I think that it gives you later on. Whatever, we'll just use SSH for now. Yeah, the source files. So I already made this. You gotta like point to where your files are. My extensions. This should be good. So about the versions. So it's obvious. So this pod tool is going to look into this repository actually to see if it has code on this specific tag, which goes with a specific branch. So you gotta actually branch it. But for now, just close it. And now we are going to get branch 0.0.1. Git checkout 0.0.1. And then we gotta git push minus u origin 0.0.1. Now we're pushing actually the branch 0.0.1, which we just specified in our podspec file. So the podspec file will tell, okay, on this branch you can get the code. We can also tag it. I think you must tag it. Great. Now we can actually now we are actually now ready to deploy our to deploy our library. We got everything set up. We got the library written. We got the podspec written. The Git is ready. So let's go. Pod repo push. We call it my extensions, and then the podspec file. Oh, yes. We totally forgot something in the beginning. Let me show you what it is. Alright. My extensions. Yeah, just my Cocoapods, I think. Yeah. So we're going to check out first what kind of repositories are stored onto our local machine. So this is the master branch of all the Cocoapods that we are usually used to. And then we got, like, in the company where I work, we got our own Cocoapods. But we don't have like this Cocopod yet, which we just set up. So we gotta add that too. And we can do that actually by pod repo add my Cocoapods. We give it a URL and we say master. It's going to edit right now. Give it a sec. Great. And now we can do the pod repo push my extensions. Oh, no, my Cocoapods. Going to validate my extensions. Now it's actually going through the podspec file and check if everything is alright. Give it a sec. It did not validate. The name of this podspec should match the name of the file. Probably did a typo there. Let's see. My extensions. Ah, look. Let's try it again. So, great, it only has one little warning over here which says git SSH URL will not work for blah 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 blah. Alright, okay, cool. Pushing, blah blah, fast. Alright, great. It's enabled to read the license file. Yeah, sure. So, whenever you refresh this right now in my Cocoapods, you'll see this, my extensions, and you see the version number. You'll see the podspec file, which you actually generated. So this is in the my Cocoapods. Great. Now, to use this actually, we can actually, yeah, we can do it in another video. Alright, thank you for watching right now, and if you have questions, you can always ask me in the comments below. This is actually one of my first videos that I've been making on YouTube to actually teach people how to do programming, or at least make use of the tools which are available right now. If you have tips and tricks for me, it would be great. Thank you, and I'll see you next time.